My name is Gemma Langford, and my job is studio manager and lead writer at Ghost Town Games. And together, me, Phil, and Ollie, we made Overcooked, Overcooked 2, Overcooked All You Can Eat, The Onion King, Kevin, all of that. A typical day. So I have a couple of hats I wear. I start off in the morning with my studio manager hat, and that covers a lot of different jobs. That is looking at our community, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of that. Seeing if anything's come in, talking to our publisher. It can be looking at finance, talking about merchandising, all of those business things. Then in the afternoon, I have a coffee, I get under a blanket, and I write. I write all afternoon, all those lovely characters and stories that I get to play with. My best bit of advice is the best bit of advice, and that is play games. Play lots of games. Find out what you love, what games you want to see in the world that don't exist yet.